with a massive 8.4-liter V10 engine, a cockpit that wouldn't be out of place in a race car, and all the civility of a hungry bear. The 2017 Dodge Viper is a lot more than just your basic sports car. Driving one is a raw, visceral and aggressive experience like no other. Its trim-level lineup ranges from stripped-out and bare bones to a truly one-of-a-kind car capable of dominating at any racetrack. It also turns heads as much as exotics, costing 3 times as much. So what's wrong with all this brutal, in-your-face, unapologetic sports car stuff? Nothing, if that's what you're looking for. But if you're also hoping for some civility and practicality, the Viper isn't your car. It's not particularly comfortable. For starters, it's oppressively noisy on the highway, its seats offer minimal support, and the ride quality is very stiff-ride. Even for a sports car of this caliber. But wait, there's more. People getting in or out of the Viper risk singeing their legs on the hot doorsills, thanks to the side-mounted exhaust pipes. Outward visibility is poor, and cargo capacity is comparable to what you'll get in a jetliner's overhead bin. Granted, people have been slamming the Viper for all these reasons going back to its debut in 1992, so it's not exactly news. But it's also true that the latest batch of 2017 sports cars can also bring the heat, but without all the bombast. The Chevrolet Corvette Z06 is one of the Viper's strongest and most direct rivals. It has a more livable interior, a better ride and similar power. Consider the high-revving Ford Mustang GT350 as well, which is objectively slower in a straight line but excellent on a racetrack and much less expensive. A few more luxurious choices include the Porsche 911 and the Jaguar F-Type, both of which we highly recommend. Logically, it makes no sense to buy this car. But 2017 is also the Viper's last year before Dodge puts it out to pasture. If you want sample of the most intense automotive experiences while it's still around, we won't blame you.